Hello, fellow creatives. Let me hope we are all good and fine and everything is basically okay. So in our first video, we happen to look at what a search engine is, what different search engines can we go for, and now I told you that I would want to install Opera Mini to my computer, that is Opera, okay, as my web browser or search engine. So like try to explain why would I go for Opera, and besides that, let us try to install it and see. So with that, let me go. So now what we do is we come and open up our Google Chrome, because I'm already using Google Chrome, or anything that you may have on your computer. You may use a micro like Bing or DuckDuckGo. So any browser that you may be having, then you type in Opera. So free download. So these can be used for what? For basically Windows and also for Mac. Yes, it does for Mac. It also has a free version for Mac, as you see it here. Okay. So besides that, you type in that, okay, for Windows. However much you may not even put for Windows, because automatically it like senses that it is basically needed for Windows. So download the Opera browser for computer, phone, tablet. So we can open this one, then we can also maybe open this one. Okay, so and see how to like download it, then how to install it on our computers. Okay, so this is what it is. Okay, so get an unparalleled gaming and browsing experience on mobile and desktop. Get limits on CPU, RAM, and network usage. Use Discord or use Discord and Twitch from the sidebar. Okay, then again, and connect mobile and desktop browsers with the file sharing flow feature. So I think so they are even on what? On download Opera GX. So this is how far they are. They are showing you they have Discord, Twitch, Reddit, YouTube, changelog, and others that you have basically never used. Then when we happen to go to this side, as you see, they have a lot of stuff that instead of it, and you find that these are also different apps like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, you get, and VPN, then these others like Twitch. So there are a lot of stuff that are basically in one place. Let us download it, and it is basically free. So if we try to like click on it on download, so as you see it, so automatically it is going to be starting to download. So when I go to my bar in the right hand side, you see, so it is basically downloading. Okay, so the first step, so it is going to be doing it in 3 steps. So the first step is complete the download, then run installer. Okay, then import settings and bookmarks. So if we open here, done. So we open where it is located, then if we just double click on it, so if we just double click on it and click run as administrator, it shows this, then we click yes. So now we say accept and install. So the moment we do that, we accept, so it like installs online. So the download that is called the installer is a little bit light. How big is it? Let me first check here and see how big is it. So let us see. It is just 3 MBs, but when it is like installing, it like takes some good MBs because it is bigger. Okay, So I don't know the MBs that it would charge us, but at least for the download of the setup that helps us install it, it is lighter at 3 point something MBs, as you saw previously. So that is how we like install it. So it is downloading. So for the sake of time, I'm going to be stopping this video and we like pick up from there, okay, after some time. But before maybe I put that video off, what I would say is, please and please, my fellow creative people, endeavor to say that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right now I'm having 1,220 subscribers. So please, my friends, I urge you to like subscribe to this channel, because I'm always sharing new stuff in the creative content or in the content creation industry. So endeavor to say that you subscribe so that you do not miss out on anything I happen to release. Maybe I teach about After Effects, Photoshop, Illustrator, all of that stuff. So endeavor to see that you subscribe and you keep yourself alert, so that if I happen to release any video, you get notified. Okay, so please and please subscribe, leave a comment, give me that thumbs up. That would give me courage to like continue making wonderful videos that you and I can also happen to learn something from. Okay, so please and please, I urge you to subscribe and keep everything going. As you see, ultimate gaming and browsing experience, then customize your designs. Okay, complete your gaming setup with dark themes, wallpapers, and lead accents. Maximize your performance. Use the CPU, RAM, and network limiters to stop your browser from being a source hog. Okay, so unlimited gaming and browsing experience, Discord, Twitch integration, build what free unlimited VPN, so ad blockers. So please, please and please, those are some of the reasons why I happen to like go for what, for Opera. Okay, so that is why I happen to like install it to my computer. So thank you for watching. Please let us meet in the next video after it being like installed, after it finishing to be installed. Then we just navigate around it and we happen to see the advantages attached to it. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, leave a comment. One love, and thank you for those who have subscribed. Okay, and I would say congratulations to my students that happen to graduate. Okay, so if you haven't seen that graduation video and what message do I have for them, please just visit above this video. I'll be showing you some of my students graduating, what the minister said at the graduation, and all of that stuff. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe. Thank you. Let us meet in the next video.